Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DNS privacy with Cloudflare WARP, full guide step by step clearly. To verify DNS privacy with Cloudflare WARP, start by downloading the Cloudflare WARP app from your device's app store. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup process. You will need to create a Cloudflare account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up and verify your account with an email address. After logging in, navigate to the app's main dashboard. Enable WARP by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, go to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings, look for the DNS section to confirm that you are using Cloudflare's DNS. Choose the option for 1.1.1.1 DNS if it's not already selected. Now, it's time to ensure your internet connection is secured through WARP. Once connected, open a web browser and go to a DNS leak test website. These sites will show which DNS servers your connection is using. If the test shows 1.1.1.1 or 1.0.0.1, your DNS queries are being handled by Cloudflare. If other DNS addresses appear, ensure your device is properly connected to Cloudflare WARP. For a further check, visit a DNS privacy test site, like Cloudflare's own DNS test page. This will help you verify if your DNS queries are encrypted. Monitor your network settings to confirm that the VPN connection persists. You can also check your IP address on a privacy test site to ensure it matches Cloudflare's IP, indicating successful connection. If any discrepancy happens, recheck your app settings and internet connection. Once everything is verified, you are successfully using Cloudflare WARP for secure DNS privacy. Make sure to periodically perform these checks to maintain your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.